Ever since multi-material system came out, such as the AMS from Bambu Lab or the AMS Lite or other brands, we did encounter a problem called poop or purge materials, which is basically a collection of purge materials from the filament change. And this keeps collecting and collecting and getting higher and higher. So what do? Do you leave it on the desk? Do you leave it on the floor? Or you put like a piece of cardboard underneath, which I did at the beginning, but thankfully designers came out with great ideas to collect these poops, and it's called the poop chute. And this is one of the versions that I had. I printed many, for example, this one for the A1, which is actually great because it holds the scraper as well, and it's pretty slick and small. As I was saying, I printed quite a few for my Bambu Lab P1S, and this model specifically is not bad. Actually, it's pretty big and contains a lot of poops, but it's a little flimsy and it does break, and it's not very practical because I have this P1S against the wall, and every time I have to empty this poop chute or this bin full of purge material, I have to move the P1S, take it out and empty it. But I found a solution, and also a slicker solution, a stronger solution, to print a different model, very slick looking and also very strong because I printed it with the filament PETG carbon fiber. This is the actual filament that I printed with. I'm going to show you the final print and how to assemble it and how easy it is to empty it. Welcome back to Spectrum Filaments. My name is Alessio and I'm going to show you right now how to print this model and how this filament works and how great it looks. So let's jump right into it. And there it is. This is the final piece that came out of the printer, printed with the P1S. And I have to say that I actually used the generic profile for PETG carbon fiber from Bamboo Studio, and it worked perfectly. But if you want to tune it in a little bit more, we have specific details on our website. The link is in the description down below if you want to check it or if you want to purchase the filament. Like I mentioned, let's get rid of this one and mount the new one. It does require 2 screws, but we're going to use the existing screws from the poop chute itself and attach it to the back. This is the actual part that you can move around, empty it and put it back, and I'm going to show you right now. And here we are at the back of the printer, and we just need to unscrew the existing ones right here with the X key that comes with Bambu Lab tools and unscrew it. Do the same for the second one, and we're going to place the back part against it and screw the top one first. And then we're going to screw the bottom one. Fortunately, there is a hole right here that allows you to put the actual X key inside without any troubles. And we're going to do that. It's a little tricky, but it's not too difficult. And screw it in the center. And we got it. Just a little advice, maybe we need the longer screws because this one are really short and they may come off. So maybe 2-3 millimeters longer and it'll be fine. So after that, the back of the poop chute is attached. Now we're gonna turn this one around, and this is the front of the poop chute. And I just want to show you how cool this material really is. It really hides all the layer lines and it feels great to the touch, and it's really strong and flexible. It will not break whatsoever, unlike the flimsy one that we have right here. As you can hear, it's already broken, see? So we need to swap it up. This is the indentation that goes right here. And boom, perfection. And that's it. What I think is maybe if you feel fancy, you can attach a couple of magnets at the back, right here and right here, so it will just like snap in place because maybe it will come off, but you can customize it as you like. And now we can do a poop chute test. And after that, once the bin is full, we can just remove it like that and empty it somewhere else. And now your bin is clean again. Place it back again, and we got a really nice poop chute. And this is what it looks like against the wall. And when it's full, you just remove it, move a little bit of that, remove it, empty it, place it back. Done. And there you have it, a really nice looking, slick and functional 3D printed poop chute. 3D printed with the Filament PETG-CF carbon fiber. Check the link in the description down below if you want to purchase this amazing filament, and also check the specs. But like I said, I used the generic profile in Bambu Studio for PETG-CF and it worked perfectly. But if you want to tune it in a little bit more, I suggest you to check the specs on our website. And before I end the video, if you're curious to see how I built this camera rig for the Sony ZV-E10 and this smartphone holder printed with amazing filaments, I'm not gonna let you guess the materials because the links are in the description down below or in the cards for these two videos specifically. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Alessio, this is Spectrum Filaments, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.